welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see why can't I send messages on Instagram and to solve this issue. So we are going to head over to our Instagram, and once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile and then go to the three lines icon and see if your notifications is on or if you have blocked that person from which you are just expecting the message, and see if the people can send you message requests. So if this is done, then you can head over to your Instagram's storage option and here clear the cache files. So once you clear the cache, see if you can send messages on Instagram. And if the problem still persists, you have to head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram and see if there is any update available, and make sure you do the update and it will be installed automatically on your Android. And if this problem still persists, you have to just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. So hopefully all these fixes will make sure that you can send messages on your Instagram account again. So yeah, let us know if that helped or not, and we will see you in the next video.